What's up everyone? Today we are talking about how to lift over 100 pounds after 2 back surgeries. So I am going to jump right into it. I have a current client who had to do 2 back surgeries, who was told by his surgeon that he could never lift over 35 pounds again. And keep in mind that I've heard that number before, or different numbers. Sometimes it's 50, sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's don't bend ever again. And at the end of the day, and this is not hitting at any of my orthopedic surgeon friends, but I think a lot of these numbers are arbitrary. I'm just going to throw that out there. I haven't seen the data that shows that somebody has a back procedure or any procedure for that matter, and you have a lifting restriction. I get somebody had like a reverse total shoulder. Why? Just from the biomechanics of why they shouldn't lift, super heavy weight overhead. But with that being said, I don't get the lifting restriction after like a laminectomy or something like that. So anyways, back to the topic at hand. This gentleman had 2 back surgeries. He was told he couldn't lift 35 pounds ever again, and that if he goes past that, his disc was going to explode out of his back. And we've been working together now for over 6 months, and I am happy to say that number one, he has addressed that fear and is no longer afraid of his disc reherniating, and for that matter, reherniating with lifting heavier weights. And he's been super consistent. He has been practicing these motions day in and day out, and he's gone from lifting 35 pounds, his limit, to now lifting 150 pounds for reps on the deadlift. So, and this is not the first time I've seen this. This is just an innumerable, I can't say this word, but it's happened so many times before that I don't believe these lifting restrictions anymore. I don't know where they come from. I haven't seen the data. So if you have been told you have a lifting restriction, and maybe you're a physician, this channel is for physicians, small business owners, and executives. So you might be a physician listening to this, and you might have even given that recommendation before. And where does that come from? I don't know. And it's not your fault. It's not anyone's fault. But just if you have that belief in the back of your head that I can't lift this weight anymore because of X, is that actually true, or is it just fear holding you back? Because that was the case for him, and that is the case for so many others that come to work with me who are busted up. They do have a back issue or a knee issue, and they've been told, well, no, you should be careful. But the reality is that they have like 50 more years to live and to live well, and they're already restricting themselves from certain things. And you know that you're gonna have to lift something heavy sometime in your life. So why not be prepared and do it in a controlled environment so that that can transfer into an uncontrolled environment. Anyways, I went on a tangent there, but let me know in the comments below if you've been told that you have a lifting restriction. Do you actually believe that that's true? Have you ever tested that limit? If you have, how'd it go? It can be good or bad, just comment below. If you like this channel and you like this content, please give a big thumbs up and just hit that like button for this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be pumping out a lot more videos like this. I'll catch you next time. Stay strong, stay resilient, stay awesome.